Welcome back everybody. So this video we are making a winged box. We're using Panga Panga for the main body. We're just marking out where we're going to put the mortise. And now we're going to start turning it to shape. So first of all we're using the mid-size finisher from Easy Wood Tools. Okay, now we've got that turned to shape. Now we're going to turn ourselves to the bottom of the bowl. Now we're going to go in with the mid-size detailer and define where we're going to put the mortise. Clear that out with the number 1 hollower and flatten everything off with the mid-size rougher. There we go, and we're going to match the dovetails of the drawers with the detailer. Okay, I've already done most of the sanding, so we're just going to go to 240 grit here. Go around the wings with a little bit of hand sanding. And of course the edges. Clean it off with a bit of methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. And some sanding sealer. And some Yorkshire Grit abrasive paste. There will be links down below as to where you can get this. There we go, just going to buff it in. And after it's all buffed in, you'll end up with the equivalent of about 1000 grit. Okay, so now we've got some gloss finishing wax from Hampshire Sheen. Once again, there will be links down below if you want to get any of that or any other Hampshire Sheen products. So we're just going to put it on by hand, and what you do is you just wait for all of the fumes to evaporate, wait for it to go a little bit tacky, and then you buff it in. Remember not to put too much pressure on, you don't want to wipe it all the wax off. just enough to heat up the wax and buff it into the wood. Very nice. Alright, we're going to go over to the top of the bowl now. We're going to face it off with the mid-size rougher. Going to mark out how big the bowl needs to be now using the calipers. Just mark out with a pencil just so we can see it, and hog it all out with the number 1 hollower. And we're going to make a little recess there with the rougher. The lid to sit on, and this is the finisher just to take out any ridges that may have happened with the hollowing. And once again we're going to show only the 240 grit. Previously I did do the rest of the sanding off camera. Do a bit of power sanding around the outside. Bit of compressed air. Pour some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol to clean the grain. Some sanding sealer. Once again some Yorkshire Grit. Alright, so we're going to take the calipers now and mark out the size of the lid that we need. And the pencil just so we can see it. And now we're going to get to turning it around using the mid-size finisher. Mid-size rougher there, just to making it perfectly square or circle as the case may be. So we're going to go in and make a tenon so we can hold it in the chuck. There's the detailer. We're going to start chafing it round. Okay, we're going to get the number 1 hollower and just take out the inside of the lid. Sanding 240 again. Some methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Some sanding sealer. Some Yorkshire Grit. And of course, a finest Hampshire Sheen. Very funny. Okay, so we're going to get to the outside of the lid now. We'll take away that tenon. The number 1 hollower there. As you can see off camera, I drilled a hole for where the finial is going to go, so we're going to start sanding once again to 240, and this is going to be finished just like everything else with sanding sealer, Yorkshire Grit and Hampshire Sheen wax. Some methylated spirits, just clean the grain once again. Sanding sealer, Yorkshire Grit, and the Hampshire Sheen wax.
All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night, everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you, oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be the someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand.
Here we go, so we're going to get to the finial now, which is made of Bog Oak. There's the mid-size rougher, just taking it down to round. using it to start doing some shaping. There's a number 1 hollower and the detailer. That's a CI7 micro detailer. There's the parting tool, because it matches the hole we drilled into the lid. Alright, we're going to go through the same finishing process of everything else that we've done today. So it's sanding up to 240. They're the methylated spirits or denatured alcohol. Sanding sealer, some Yorkshire Grit, and finally some Hampshire Sheen wax. Thank you everyone for watching. If you please enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe and all that good stuff. And until the next one, I'll see you later.